5 ball clubs in 2 years. Maravich. Yes. Rockets in their playoff hopes. Rockets made the playoffs just once. That's Maravich. Answers the boards. To McElroy. Maravich. 23 feet. Maravich over Dwight Jones, and Jones got him from the backboard. Otto Moore down to Maravich. To McElroy. Maravich is the clear shot from 17. Underneath, McElroy. Won't go down for him. Maravich. Yes. 6.5 minutes left to play in the opening period as Maravich guns it for 2. Maravich. Jeff, we've got some moves here you won't see on the court this afternoon, I'll tell you that. Look at this. When the Jazz comes out by Newland. Maravich over Dwight Jones, and Jones got him. Basket will count. Oh, what a touch.